Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and today on my channel we're going to talk about the one annoying problem I've been fighting for the last few weeks, the leaking toilet. So, middle of the night I hear this short burst of water, and as you know, seen from my other repairs on the toilet, it was actually the plunger, and this is what I'm going to show you today. So to remove this, take the cover off, because you come right off pretty easily. Keep in mind I'm in one-hand operation. I already have this fixed, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what I did and what to look for and how to get this very annoying problem fixed very quickly. First thing you want to do is you want to turn off the valve, which is right here. For me, let's turn it clockwise until it stops. And what we're going to do is do a quick flush. And I will show you the mistakes that I made. First off, if you're, I don't have the right terminology here, you're already seeing the replacement of this, and the water level is adjusted with this screw here. Water level line is right here. Mine is a little bit too long, but that's still yet to be fixed. Today we're going to talk about this piece right here. This was responsible for all my leaking problems. So first off, if it's a little bit older, you can go out and get you a new one. They're very cheap, only a couple bucks. A couple things you want to look for. One thing you want to look for is make sure that the sealer on this thing is actually very tight. Make sure there's no holes or anything else in here, except for these holes in the bottom. Okay, next thing you want to do is when you take it out of the box, you want to hinge it. I'm going to try to get a better angle on the other side here. You want to make sure you get the right measurement for your size of hole that you're dealing with. And let's see if we can get a better angle in here. So you want to do is, there's a little ear right here. Right there. You want to hook that on to this. And you want to make sure that it goes down straight, covering the hole. And you also make sure that it goes straight up and down. Here is where I ran into the problem, and this is what I'm going to show you guys. You want to make sure that the chain is fairly tight. You can see that I have a few links down. You want to watch how high it goes. Make sure that it'll go above the top of your reservoir, and to make sure that you guys get a full-blown turn. Most important thing out of this video is this. Make sure that it is a fairly straightforward line that goes up and down on this. I'm going to pull it from the deal here. What was happening is mine was actually pulling it off to the side, and when it landed, it would land like this. And what you would hear is you would hear these little spurts in the middle of the light, like shh, here and shh, there. So if you got a straight line like this, this is how it works. Best way to test it, again, once you've installed the new one, and we'll go ahead and turn it back on over here. Yeah, it's filling. And also, your new device has some holes here on the side. I don't know if you can see them. You want to match that up, like I said, the most direct line to your chain as best as you can get. I guess I could have went straight here, but see, that would have been a little bit off an angle. You want it perfectly lined with the top of this. Again, if you've got too much water or too little water in here, adjust this little screw here with a screwdriver or even your hand. This right here is adjust the force of your water going into the tank. We can talk about that. For more details on replacing this device here, you can check out my other video. As you can see, this is filling. I'm going to go past the line. I probably need to adjust it a little bit more. But my channel is all about small annoying issues, and this one was annoying me for about a month before I figured out how to fix it. So I think it's more help for you as well. Anyway, test it. You want to go up, actually, and then you can see the holes on the top there. And you can see how they go straight down. Guys, if you guys have any questions on this or any other issues or problems that I may be able to help, please let me know. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, take care.